a proud supporter of Operation Barbecue Relief.
Today I'm doing something a little bit different on the grill. I'm doing a smoked Italian beef. Great recipe, something a little bit different, but something I'm sure you'll completely enjoy. It starts with a rub. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of an Italian seasoning mix, 1 tablespoon Lowry seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, and 1 tablespoon black pepper. Just give it a good mix. Now that the rub's mixed, you can see I got a chuck roast here that I seasoned off last night. You can definitely tell by the color of it, it's seasoned up and ready to go. Now you can use any kind of beef you want for this, just whatever's on sale, whatever's cheap, whatever takes a long time to cook will work great. Let's get it on. I've already got the grill set up for indirect heat. Hot charcoal in the back, drip pan in the front. Let's get this on. I'm gonna put this right over the drip pan in the front. Add our wood. Now we're going to set our vents and we're going to smoke this about 350 degrees. You want to do it low and slow, you're more than welcome to, but we're going to smoke this for about an hour, maybe 2. Depends on how much smoke flavor you want with it. So we'll come back and check in a few. Well, I've had it on for about 2 hours now. Went a little longer than I intended to, but got to drink a beer with the crew. So let's get going. And take a look at that beauty. It's almost fall apart tender now. Put this into a pan. We've got 1 tablespoon of the Italian rub and about 2 cups of beef broth. And we need a little more juice than that, so is that a beer? Grilling tools with accessories. Now you don't want to cover the roast completely, just most of the way, about halfway up or so. You can use more beef broth instead of beer if you like. That'd work just fine. We're going to put this back on. Still going to try and maintain the temperature of about 350 degrees. Let this go for about a half hour. Then we're going to flip the roast over and let it go for about another half hour. So we'll check back in a few. I hope. Now this grill right here, I've had this Italian beef on since early this morning and it's ready to go. Now we've got it mixed well. Let's go and add a little bit of this juice back into it. And there we go, smoked Italian beef. Thank you for watching, and please help support your local food bank. Ow! That actually hurt.
Boxing on here?
Yeah, I did.
One camera got it real good.
Yeah. Oh, well, we ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Is that gonna be a problem?
Yes.
I've had it on for about 2 hours now. I've had it on for about 2 hours now. Went a little longer than I was going to initially, but got to drinking beer with the crew in between takes, so it's still terrible. It's still terrible. Yeah, that's some of the stuff I'm talking about. You don't want in there. Yeah, the squirrels can have that. One of the great things about this recipe is I'm not using a chainsaw. Now we're just gonna put this on a hoagie for service.
For service?
Yeah, for serving. You're right, that was terrible. Oh look, diet barbecue.
Because there's nothing there. Wow, he's so funny.